guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing for you guys from Glossybox. I am so thankful to them. They went ahead and sent me March's box. This is a PR box, but of course I am always 100% honest with you guys. No BS here. And if you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button and you can follow me on Instagram. I do all kinds of makeup of the days and also share with you guys tidbits of my life and also beautiful makeup pictures. If you're into that, definitely go follow. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in and Pachow! Glossybox for the month of March. Here you are. I love the aesthetic of their box. It's so beautiful. Just so pretty. So once you take it off, they do have these little coupons in here, and then this is what the box looks like. Ooh, isn't she pretty? Oh, that's so cute. I love that they always have like little ribbon. It just kind of like oomph. So we will see if there's anything I can play with in here for you guys. Ooh, so these are the little items in here. The card is super nice. And it says, "All eyes on me" is the theme for March. And you do get extra little things in here. So you get like an April sneak peek. So it says that the Flower Bomb Vanilla Twist is gonna be in there, hopefully. So something from the Flower Bomb series. I'm all about perfume, so that is good. And Glossybox is $21 a month. I will link them below, and if they give me a coupon code or anything like that, it will be linked in the down bar. So let's go ahead and pop into this. So this is gonna take off the ribbon and the paper. Woo, this is cute. So first thing in here is the ICO Black Magic Mascara. I can already tell you I like this. I don't love it. I have tried it before, and this is worth $14. So this is a deluxe mini. So this is not full size, and like I said, this box is $21 a month. So this is a little mini one. I'm all about mini stuff. I love mini stuff just because I feel like I can actually go through them and use them up. So this is nice. And like I said, I like this mascara. It's a good volumizing, like a little bit of a volumizing mascara. But if I'm not mistaken, like the wand, it gets a little bit clumping. Yeah, just by looking at it, I remember that it like clumps up a little bit. So you need another mascara, like a lengthening mascara, to like get those clumps through. So that's just a forewarning. Next thing in here is this little box, and it says Basic Beauty Tweezers, and this is full size, and these are worth $6. So I am all about tweezers all the time because, do you see this? Mama got hair, okay? So these are nice, just a nice pair of tweezers. I'm surprised how affordable they are, because usually tweezers run me like up to like $20, but I usually go for like Tweezerman and stuff. So that is nice, cute and pink. And then the next thing in here is the Ciate London, and I've been all about Ciate London. I've really enjoyed their products. This is their Stamp and Drag. So apply the wing stamp on the outer corner and then use the felt tip to, oh, this is interesting. So this is worth $19. So basically you already have the value of the box in the first few things. Okay, it is stuck. Come on, mama, come out. Okay, we had some technical difficulties with this. It did not want to come out of the box. So let's see what this is about. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so it has like the stamp on there. And then it has, oh wow, she is chunky. Look at that. I'm usually not into felt tips, but I am going to go ahead and try to play with this, okay? Let's see if we can actually get a wing from this. I have tried the Vamp stamp and I really enjoy those. So hopefully I don't jack up my makeup, but let's see if we can actually like do a little stampy stamp on here. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. I'm pretty impressed by this. Look at that. Do you guys see that? Hopefully my lashes are covering it up a little bit, but that was really easy. And then let's see how easy this chunky marker on the other side is gonna be. So, okay, hopefully, because my lashes are in the way, I usually like to do liner. Okay, so we're just gonna fill those in and then kind of extend it. Oh, that is cute. Oh, I like that. I think one of them is a little bit higher than the other, but we're just gonna go with it. We're just gonna go with it because I suck at liner. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, this one I placed nicely, and this one I kind of went a little bit over, a little too high, but we're just gonna go with it because I'm not gonna stop and redo my makeup. So that is what it looks like right there. This one's a little bit high for my eye. I probably should have placed it more on a angle, this one, but I was trying to do it too fast. But I think that that is so cool. I'm gonna definitely be playing with this all week long, so follow me on my Instagram for updates. And then the next thing that I see in here are, ooh, these 5-in-1 deep conditioners. I love deep conditioners like this. I buy them from Sally's all the time. I just really feel like they do really nicely for my hair. So this is the Cry Baby and Bad Attitude hair mask. These are $2.99 each. They're supposed to really help hydrate your hair, and it says to just like leave it into your hair for like, it's kind of like a mask. You leave it in for like a good while. Does it say how long? For 5 minutes. So you leave this in for 5 minutes. It says that you can get quite a few uses. I probably feel like I get like 2 or 3 uses from each one of these, so this is nice. And then the last thing in here is the Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette in Copperplate, and this is worth $15. Woo, I'm so excited. I literally do not own anything from Sleek Makeup, so this is something totally new for me. Let's see. Here is the Sleek Makeup. Ooh, I like that packaging. That is so pretty. Oh my god, look at these highlights. Let's go ahead and do some swatches for you guys. Ooh, look at that. I have heard so much about these little quads from Sleek Makeup. This is my first time trying them, so I don't think I have, yeah, I only have the Alamar Cosmetics like Brighten on there. So let's go ahead and play with this, and I'm gonna go ahead and just play with this one mixed with this one, okay? So let's just see how these apply and see if they're blinding as people make them out to be. Oh, that is pretty. That is pretty. It is emphasizing my texture just a little bit. They are very metallic-y, but that is very, very beautiful. And the mirror is really nice because it stands up by itself, so it's not like you're fighting with it. Ooh, yes! She is pretty. Oh, I like that. You know what? I'm gonna grab a little bit of another brush and apply a little bit of the copper to my cheek, just because that shade right there, I don't know if it has a name. I don't think they do. They don't have names. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the coppery shade like on top of my Alamar Cosmetics to add like a little warmth. Okay, and let me just blend it out. I'm looking like a crazy person, but give me a second. Okay, so this is what it looks like blended out. Oh, I like this so much. This copper shade all over the cheeks, for if you have like light to medium skin tone, even tan, I think this is gonna look really pretty. And then the highlights, this is a brown girl's dream. This is so pretty. I'm so glad that this is in here. I think maybe if you have a really light skin tone, you might be able to make these three work. Maybe use that one as an eyeshadow. But this is so pretty. It comes with this rinky dinky brush. I don't know why this is even in here because, yeah. But this is such a beautiful palette that makes me want to get more from Sleek Makeup. But I know it's like a UK brand. I don't know if there's any sellers here or retailers here in the US. Let me know if you know. So as always, I will put the total value of the box around here. I have to say, I really enjoyed this month's box. Yeah, everything was really nice. I love the Sleek Makeup and the Ciate, even though I kind of like jacked up this side. But I feel like once I get the hang of this and kind of play with it, I'll be able to use it more. I like the fact that it's just like built in there. It's not like my, what are these called? This is like the vamp stamp that you have to like literally dip into something. I like that it's like all in one. So So my camera totally cut off. I ran out of space, and so I'm just gonna close this off here. Let me know what your thoughts are as far as this month's box. Are you excited? Are you not excited? I'd love to hear back from you down below. Don't forget to subscribe. You can follow me on my social media, and as always, I'll have videos around here pop up at the end if you want to keep watching some of my other content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.